tip for digital marketing. First, understand your customer. Understanding your target audience is essential. Who are they? What are their interests, needs, and desires? Where do they spend their time? To identify and understand your customers. Second, create compelling content. One of the most important aspects of digital marketing is creating compelling and relevant content that draws people to visit your website. And lastly, regularly optimize your website for SEO and conversions. Your website is the gateway to revenue, so it's important to optimize it for conversions. This means making sure it's easy to navigate, has a clear call to action, loads quickly, and offers frictionless checkout. And likes this video and share. For more information and the latest updates, subscribe to this channel.